Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to install Microsoft Word directly to your computer. So why would you want to do this? Well, basically the PC app has a lot more functionality to it than the web app. And so if you have a computer or laptop or whatever, I would recommend downloading it and using it. It's free for you guys as a student. You have access to it as long as you're a student. You're just going to use your student username and your login that you use for MyAVC, and you'll be good to go. So basically what you need to do is go back to the AVC ID, click on that, okay? And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to Microsoft Office 365, log in again, okay? And so once you log in, it's going to have this little icon over here to the right that says install apps. Okay, so you're going to click on that and you're going to select Microsoft 365 apps. Okay, and then over here you see it's downloaded onto my into my download folder through my browser, right? So I'm going to click got it. All right, and then I'm going to open that file. And what that file is going to do, it's going to open up a downloader that will take you through the process of downloading the software and installing it onto your computer. So I'm not going to do this because I've already got it installed and I don't want to mess things up. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel out at this point. But I just wanted to show you how that works. So that's that.